Sage colleagues. I keep mentioning these spreadsheets I've made for you. Woohoo! Spreadsheets. Great way to organize information. Also, they can be sorted, which is quite nice. And so let's take a look. This first one is natives for gardening. This one only has one tab, right? There's only one tab down here. You don't have to look out for the other tab. But I'll show you what I did. I took the order list from the Conif's plant sale and I annotated it. So I wrote down what the growth form is, what the exposure for the plant is, what its general color is, and then general notes. And I'm sorry, there's no particular format to the general notes. It's just things I thought of from working with these plants in gardens. But then the most important thing is right here on the last column, I have the iNaturalist page for this species. And I chose iNaturalist rather than USDA Plants Database because iNaturalist just has way better photos. And so in the iNaturalist website, you can find out where these plants are, where have the observations been made, and that will give you a sense like, is this plant in the wild near your house? And then here there's an about page. And this is not as high quality as the USDA Plants Database pages. I'll show those to you in the next video when we're thinking about like germination requirements. But there's some general information here. And again, most importantly, lots of great pictures if you're trying to learn the natives and also be a native plant gardener. iNaturalist is great for that. I also chose iNat here because on the right side of every page, there's all these links to these servers. And two servers that we use are the USDA Plants Database, good for checking nativity, but there are great plant guides there. And so not every species has a plant guide, but most of the ones that we're looking at in this spreadsheet do. And so you can really get a full understanding of this plant, and also there's specific germination information here. Then there's SciNet, which is southwestwildflowers.org, and this resource is backed by Herbaria Specimen, and again, lots of great information that you can find right from these two resources. And of course, my information on this spreadsheet is just wetting your whistle, right? Just figuring out if it would work for your garden and if it's something you're interested in. And if you don't know what these plants look like, of course, just click the iNaturalist link and you'll be able to see them. So this spreadsheet is all the plants that are available in the Conif's native plant sale, which the ordering for that starts on April 1st, and the pickup is in mid-May. And then if you want to add other species, you are welcome to do it. So like, for example, one species, I talk about two species in the module document that are not on this list: Rudbeckia, Herda, and also the Alpine cinquefoil. So if you find that you're real interested in another plant, please go ahead, add it here. And if all you want to add is the name, I'll fill in the rest of the details for you. So that's the natives for gardening spreadsheet. The next video will cover the seeding calendar.